Today, we are going to learn how to write the letter W and the letter X. This is a big W. This is a small W. This is a big X, and this is a small X. Big W, big W, big W, small W, small W, small W. Small W, small A, small T, small E, small R, small M, small E, small L, small O, small N. Spells watermelon. Small W, small H, small A, small L, small E spells whale. Big X, big X, big X. Small x, small x, small x. X, small x, small r, small a, small y. Spells X-ray. Small x, small y, small l, small o, small p, small h, small o, small n, small e. Spells xylophone.